hold it.
Think he's fine. Yeah, I think he's fine now. Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you very much.